Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna go over modeling this, yeah, you could say ancient sword. Looks pretty neat. Yep. So I'm gonna do a variation of this, probably make it kind of stylized and add my own little touch to it. Yep. Anyhow, so I have it here. I'm gonna just select it and do Control C as in copy. Then I'm gonna go into Documents, Maya, Projects, and then just dump it to default. Source images, and then Control V as in Victor. So it's over here. Alright, so from here, spacebar, I'm going to use from the top down. So I'm going to select the top camera. I'm going to go to the attribute editor, close everything. But to open up the environment tab, and then press create. And then I'm gonna click on this folder icon, and then I'm going to where is it? Where the hell did it go? Oh, I'm gonna go to my current project. Default set. Right now it's set to product modeling, but I dumped it into the default, so I'm gonna go there. And then source images, and there it is. So Documents, Maya, Projects, Default, Source Images, open. Alright, so here it is. I think I want to make it bigger. About a big. So kind of touches there. And then probably need to kind of scoot it over a bit, so it's right in the middle. This one's slightly off, but I think the blade is more important. I'm aligning it to this. The gizmo is over here, but the actual line drawing is split down the middle for the most part. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so that's about it. I'll name it top down ortho, and then okay, so I did that. You can see it here. I'm gonna place it in a display layer. Double click, underscore ortho image underscore save. Set to reference so I don't grab it. I'm gonna select it from the outliner. I forgot to set this to look through camera, and it's set to top. Make sure it's set to top so that I can see it in the top view. Okay, and then from there I'm gonna make a cube, and then so this will be the blade. So I'll name it well, before I name it anything, I'm gonna just I'm gonna turn this on to have sharp, clean lines, and then polycube. I think what I'm gonna do is just mess with some of these. Maybe 2 by 2 by 2. Yeah. The height baseline I'm gonna leave alone. And then here I'm gonna turn off the grid for a bit. Whatever you do not move it like this. That'll throw everything off. Only move it like forward or back. Alright. What I guess I'll do is I'm gonna scoot this way over here, because that's where the blade is gonna be. The blade shaft is probably gonna be in here. Or is it the base of it? And then I'm gonna press D as in David. Then I'm gonna hold V as in Victor. I'm gonna grab by the arrow. I'm gonna yank it there. Press W to get out. I'm gonna pull it over here. No, right around here it is. Press R. I'm gonna pull it like that. Then I'm gonna pull it down. Pull it down some more. Press 4. Alright. Press 5. Alt 5. Okay. Then I'm gonna turn on X-ray. This one. And then next what I'm gonna do is I think this one here, maybe I might not need that. Yeah, not yet at least. I'm gonna go right click, hold, edge mode, double tap on that, shift right click and hold, delete edge, right click, hold, object mode, spacebar, so what's gonna happen is right click face mode. I'm gonna go and then I'm gonna delete. I'm gonna do a marquee box selection, dragging out. I'm gonna press backspace. In the front, I'm gonna marquee drag select and select that. Make sure symmetry is off. Backspace. Right click. Right click, hold object mode. I'm going to delete history. I'm gonna double click in here, name it sword, and then space, and then top R for top right. So top meaning this is above, below the grid is bottom, this is on the right side. And then I'm gonna go edit, duplicate, special, option box. I'm gonna set to instance. So this is all default, 1111 instance. And then I'm gonna copy it on the X. So this is X column, negative. Before I do anything, I need to freeze transformations, all this data. I'm gonna freeze transform first. It's clean. Because if there's data in here, it's gonna conflict with this information. I'm gonna hit apply. So that whenever I do anything here, this one will update. Then I'm gonna grab both of them. Well, first, this copy that I made that is instanced, I'm gonna name it left. Then I'll grab both, and I'm gonna, in my duplicate special, I'm going to duplicate it on the underneath. So that's on the Y, because that's up and down. So that's -1. Because here it's +1. So it's gonna be -1 flipped on the scale. Apply, close, Alt 5. So all I need to do is just select one of these, and then I think what I want to do is I want to select this, this, and this. Wait. This is top. This is top left. This is bottom. Bottom left. This is bottom right. Okay. So from there, I'm gonna grab this, this, and this. I think I want to place them in a display layer. So I'm going to go in here, click on this again, double tap, underscore instanced copies saved. I'm going to set the reference. So this still should, yeah, it's still going to update. So only thing that's going to be moved is this. This side is not. Control Shift S. I'm going to name it Ancient Sword WIP 01. I'm going to grab this. I'm going to yank on it. Like so. Yeah. Then I'm going to grab this. I'm going to just pull it in a bit so it kind of tapers. I'm going to grab this. I'm going to pull it out a little bit more so you can see a clear distinction that's tapering in. Maybe I'll push it in a little bit more, make it super obvious. Okay. Alt 5, Alt 5. And then from there, I'm thinking I'll grab it. And then right click, hold vertex mode, grab these. Now I'll kind of lower it so it's thin. Shit. Tap. Right click, hold object mode. Okay. So far, not bad. Not bad. And then I'm gonna, from here, maybe perhaps I'll make the, what is this, hilt? Is that the hilt? So I'll start off with another cube. I'm gonna scoot it back. I'll do the same thing for it. Select it. I'll put 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 for now. I might need to delete one of them after. Then I'll grab that, and then Control 1 so I only see it. Select it, press F so I can frame onto it. So from the front, right click face mode, press 4, grab this side, delete, grab these two, delete, make sure your symmetry is off. Okay. Good. I'll name this hilt, top, R for right. I'm gonna freeze transform and delete history. Freeze transform, delete history. I'm gonna go edit, duplicate special option box, instance. Before I do that, I wanna put the move gizmo over here. So I'm gonna press D as in David. With this selected, make sure it's in object mode, which is green. Hold V as in Victor. Grab the blue arrow, chuck it over there. Press W. Then once that's set up, I'm gonna do let me set this back to 1, 1, and 1 instanced. And then I'm gonna make a copy on the flip side of X. So X column, same thing. -1, apply. Immediately I'm gonna name this top hilt left. Then I'm gonna grab this and this, and then I'm gonna make a copy, instanced copy, but on the bottom, which is Y negative. I need to remember to reset this to 1. X, Y column, -1, apply, close. Then I'm gonna grab this, wait, let me name it. This is bottom, hilt, bottom left. This hilt, bottom right. I'm gonna grab this, and this. And then I'm going to put them in its own display layer. Double tap, underscore, lower down hilt, instanced parts, save, set to reference, and that control 1 to get out. I'm gonna grab here, double click. I'm gonna put in here sword instanced parts. Yeah, instanced parts. Save. So everything is named out very nicely. Yeah. Okay. I think I want to save it. Control Shift S. 02. Space bar. Alright, so I'm gonna grab the hilt, right click, vertex mode. I'm gonna grab it, yank it out. Other side follows through. I'm gonna grab the vertices, marquee select like that, yank it like so, grab like this, yank it like so, grab both of these, yank it, grab this, yank it. Then I noticed this, I'm gonna yank it like this, yank it out like that, press 4. So I'm basically establishing this line little by little. I'm going to grab the sword top right, and then I want to put it into its own display layer as well. Clicking on that, double click, underscore, sword top underscore right, save. Then I'm going to just hide its visibility. Then I'm going to, I have it selected, I'm going to middle mouse click on it, holding the middle mouse, and I'm going to drag it down here, there. So these two are next to each other. Yeah, going to hide the instant sword part, blade. Alright. This part, and I think what I want to do is grab the top down ortho, go to attribute editor, color gain, double tap it again, double tap, wait, maybe alpha gain 1.5. No, that's some bullshit. Color gain, under value, I'm gonna type in 1.25. Should make it brighter. 2. Why isn't it getting brighter? It should get freaking brighter.